Hello, hello. What are today's messages that we need to hear? Let's pull some cards. Number 34, unleash your imagination. You may be limiting your intuition by limiting your imagination. Expand your ideas on what's possible now in your life and in the world, while staying grounded, surrendered, and flexible. Unleash your imagination in general by indulging in a fun, creative hobby. Daydreams lead to real-life manifestations. Let's pick one of these. Say yes. Most definitely. Breathe 10 times. Close your eyes. Breathe in, out. Breathe in and out 10 times. Imagine the inhale reaching all the way to your pelvis and lifting your abdomen, and the exhale starting from your pelvis. Do this slowly 10 times. Stress causes shallow breathing, using only the top part of your lungs. Deep breathing uses the diaphragm and abdomen, relaxes our body and mind. Let's pick an animal card. Grizzly bear, power. I am indestructible. I honor my intuition and go where it leads. Love and gentleness are my strength. I never give up. I will succeed. And our quotes today. You believed in yourself when no one else did. That's strength. Absolutely. You glow differently when your nervous system is regulated. Hormones are balanced and gut is healthy. Don't lose your dignity and self-respect trying to make people accept, love, and appreciate you when they just aren't capable. Your progress still counts, even if it's only visible to you. Self-care is also not arguing with people who are committed to misunderstanding you. Yep. Stop watering any one-sided friendships or relationships. Let that stuff dry out. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.